Hey guys, in this video we are going to make this audio amplifier using our CFL bulb. Let's open the CFL bulb and take out the inner circuit from it. We need this transistor and capacitor to make the amplifier, so let's remove these from the board. Apart from the CFL board, we need one 10K resistor to make this amplifier. Connect the one end of the resistor and capacitor with the base of the transistor. Connect the one end of the speaker wire to the collector of the transistor and another end with the resistor. Connect the negative of the supply with the emitter of the transistor and the positive one with the resistor. Connect the one end of the audio jack with the capacitor and the other end with emitter. Let's turn on the supply and play some music.